I'll show you how to make this LinkedIn banner with this QR code. And when someone scans that QR code, it's automatically going to save your contact information in their phone. Plus, we'll use a free tool. Click the first link in the description. This is going to open up Canva. Now, the good thing about Canva is there's a free version and a paid version. We're only going to be using free tools today. So at the top, we're going to say that we want to create a LinkedIn banner. Great. So here's all the different templates we can choose from. Now, something important to note, all these ones with a crown are one of those paid features. So we want to find one that doesn't have a crown. Let's go ahead and select this blue one here. Awesome. So now we can start changing some of this information to be our information. So let's go ahead and update the company name to our name. Right underneath it, let's go ahead and put what we do. So we'll put social media manager. Great. Underneath that, we have the option to put our contact information. So let's go ahead and put email, a phone number, and then our website, of course. Perfect. Now on LinkedIn, there's something important to know that your professional photo is going to take up a portion of this banner. So what I like to do is drag my name, role, and contact information right above that. So it's all kind of centralized and we maximize that space on the banner. But you'll see that portion of the banner has a white background and we also have white text. So what I'm actually going to do is select the banner and then press flip horizontal. Now the left side of the screen is darker, and now what we can do is go ahead and drag our name over. We'll go ahead and drag our role over. Then we'll make our role a little bit smaller so that it actually fits like right in line with our name. And then we'll bring over our contact information. And same thing, you want to make sure that your contact information is pretty small so it doesn't get overlapped by the photo, since when they scan the QR code, they're going to be getting your contact information anyways. This is just something nice to have. Awesome. So now the next thing we want to do is get our photo on this banner. So you can see I created this sketch one. It looks pretty cool. So what you want to do is go over to the left side and select apps. Now, some people think on Canva, all the apps are paid apps. There's free apps and there's apps with free credits that renew each day. So what I like to do is go ahead up here and press sketch. There's an app here that's really nice that's called Sketchify, and you get one free use every day. So what I like to do is go ahead and upload a photo. Here's a photo I already had saved on my computer. I like to keep this on classic, turn colored pencil on, and then in the descriptions and name the color that I want the sketch to be in. So let's go ahead and put blue colored pencil. Go ahead and press Sketchify. Awesome. Now we want to add it to the design. On the right side, we want to make this larger so it actually fills up our banner. And as we go through and resize this, if you're finding value out of this video so far, go ahead and give us a like, consider subscribing. Go ahead and show some love in the comments. This is what I personally really enjoy doing, and your viewership allows me to do this. So if you're finding a good video here, go ahead and show some love. I would much appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and make this banner and make you successful. So now you'll see our sketch has this white background that we obviously want to remove. Canva has a paid version, which is the background remover, but they also have free apps that do the exact same thing. So go over back to apps. Let's go ahead and search up here, background remove. Then there's this one that says background remove it. So let's go ahead and select it. Underneath, we want to open the app. Since we're selected that photo, all we have to do is press generate. Here's what the photo would look like. So it looks like it removed the background pretty well. You can press replace. Now the background's removed on the right side, and all we have to do is reformat it and kind of bring this over to the right so it looks really professional with the blue pencil on that white background. Now we want to make space for our QR code to go right here in the middle. A good way to differentiate that from your contact information is adding a simple divider. So what you want to do is go to the left side and select elements. Then you're going to go ahead and select this one that says shapes. Here under lines, let's just choose a basic line. We'll drag it onto the screen. Let's go ahead and make it in line with our contact information. Then at the top, let's change this line to be black to white. Then for the thickness, let's go ahead and turn that down so it looks nice and classy. Now, when someone scans our contact information, we want this to signify that they're getting put into contact with us. So I like to add this arrow right before the QR code that says, when you scan this, essentially, this is what you're going to get. So I represent that with this icon here. To get that icon, all you want to do is go back to elements on the left side. Up in the search bar, just search what you're looking for. So let's put blue dotted arrow. There's all these different graphics. So let's go ahead and scroll down, make sure that we can find a free one that doesn't have a crown. So great, here's one. We'll drag it onto our canvas. Then you can see by default, these colors are set for black and gray. What we want to do is go ahead and change the black to the blue that's being used on the banner. And then we'll go ahead and change the gray to white. And now we have a really centralized spot that we can put our QR code. And when someone scans that QR code, they're going to get all of our contact information. Now, of course, we have to go ahead and generate that QR code. So what you're going to want to do is go to this website called QR Code Monkey. It's also linked in the description. Here you can generate all these different free QR codes, but the one we want to create is a contact card. So you want to select this one that says V card. That's a virtual contact. And then add all the information that you want shared on your card when someone scans that QR code. So we'll go ahead and add our first name, Joe. last name Zeppelin. For organization, let's go ahead and put social media manager. 10 down here for phone number, we're at our phone number, email, website. At the bottom, you can change the color of the QR code. You can add your own custom logos, but for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and just generate the QR code. Then we'll download the QR code. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Canva. We're going to select upload files. Then this is going to be saved in your download since you just downloaded it. So we're going to select that. When we click it, it's added to the screen. Then we just have to reformat this to make this the size of the banner. Now for downloading this, it's really important that you follow these steps so that someone can actually scan that QR code and it will be high quality. So what you want to do is go ahead and select the share button on the upper right. Then at the bottom, select download. Under file type, you have a couple different options: JPEG, PNG, PDF. You want to select PNG because PNGs are best for high quality images. Now it's going to be downloaded, and then of course you have to go back into LinkedIn. You go ahead and select edit cover photo. Since you just downloaded it, it's in your downloads, and just like this, you can see that this QR code is added to our banner. And then when someone scans that QR code, you'll see it's automatically going to prompt them to save your contact information in their phone. I need your help with 3 simple things. 1, like this video if you found it valuable. 2, consider subscribing to stay up to date on all things AI, business, and tech. And 3, go watch this video on how to do the same thing with a digital business card. It's the most popular video on the channel. I know it will help you out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.